Hi, puppies. That on the left, that is the smaller of the two pick males. Miss Mouth there, that's the pick girl. Hi! Get down so we can see a little better. One on, second from the right, that's the bigger of the two pick males. Hello! What are you doing, you good boy? How are you? Hi, guys. Right, that's a small female. Right there, that is the small boy. That one in the right there is the big boy. All the way in the back. Hi, what are you doing? Are you tired? There's the plainer face female. They've been out for a couple hours now, so they're ready to go back in the house. Hi, puppies. How are you? That's the pick girl in the front. Good girl. That's the smaller of the two boys. Come on, puppy. Good boy. And right there in the middle, that's the other show possibility boy. Come on, come on over here. Come on, let's go. Good boy. Good boy. Come on. Good boy. This is the bigger of the two show boys. Good boy. This is Sarah's pick girl. Good girl. Good girl. What a pretty girl. This is Sarah's smaller boy. Good boy. Hey, come here. Good boy. Good boy.